Oh, silent moments is like a magic. When you learn it, use it, get it done. Get it done. Your creator wants to speak with you in the silent moment. I have the power. I have the power. I have the power to change my story. I have the power to change my story. If I can believe and think in the silence of the moment, yeah, silence of the moment, restricting myself from the noises of the crowd and bringing up some sleeping and waking strength, getting half strength. Only think when you are tired, you will just sleep and waste the moment. Think when you have slept very well. Oh, you can't even leave the bed of peanuts and every other thing for a particular day. To think, organize your business, grow your energy, you doing your project, everything that concerns you. When you learn to manage this power, you will be great. What you are doing, you will get your target, you will get your goal. People will think you are using magic. Oh, silent moments is like a magic. When you learn it, use it, get things done. Get it done. Your creator wants to speak with you in the silent moment.